First exam, Understanding Similarities and Differences of Cultures, a mini portfolio inspiring cultural appreciation. Often a comparison of one culture to another will reveal obvious differences, but all cultures also share common elements. Cultural universals are patterns or traits that are globally common to all societies. One example of cultural universal is the family unit. Every human society recognizes a family structure that regulates sexual reproduction and the care of children. Even so, how that family unit is defined and how it functions varies in many Asian cultures. Second exam, Achieving Creativity and Multimodality in an Editorial. Multimodal texts include picture, books, textbooks, graphic, novels, comics, and posters, where meaning is conveyed to the reader through varying combinations of visuals, written language, and spatial modes. Digital multimodal texts such as films, animation, slideshows, e-posters, digital stories, and web page convey meaning through combination of written and spoken language, visual, audio, gestural, and spatial modes. Living multimodal text, for example, dance, performance, and oral storytelling, convey meaning through combination of modes such as gestural, spatial, spoken language, and audio. Third exam, On the Quiz Against the Invisible and Beyond. In this exam, I create a short video blog showing relevant and informative discussions of their chosen content, and the content I choose is a food vlog. A video awareness of COVID-19. When we presented the early 2020 issues of the European Journal of Cultural and Political Sociology, no one comprehended of what the outbreak of the novel coronavirus, COVID-19, in Wuhan province of China would mean to the world, to Europe, to any country or any single person in the weeks to come. A couple of months later, life as we knew it fundamentally changed. The mantras of today are stay at home, stay safe, and social distancing, not even the most critical mind working on surveillance. Fourth exam, Enhancing Capabilities, Enriching Opportunities, Right Skills, and Right Speech in Public Speaking. Many people have a phobia of public speaking. Jerry Steinfeld put in this way, according to most studies, people number 1 fear is public speaking, number 2 is death. Death is number 2. Does that sound right? This means to the average person, if you go to a funeral, you're better off in the casket than doing the eulogy, even though public speaking can be scary. If it's possible to succeed in spite of these fears, with preparation and practice, public speaking can be a great self-esteem booster. Public speaking engagements are a great place to meet new social and professional contacts. If you would like to change the world, remember public speaking is an effective platform for spreading revolutionary ideas. Fifth exam, Dramatic Monologue, Communication in the Workplace, Work Ethics. They give a piece of the original dramatic monologue entitled Being the Boss. I as a student has to read, understand, memorize, internalize, and deliver the piece that has something to do with communication in the workplace, dealing and handling with conflict in which the character will come out. The, the greatest test a man or a lady boss to have to settle dispute among my co-workers or subordinates in the organization or company. I also use costumes, props, background, and music are very helpful to make the video presentation colorful, lively, and authentic. Sixth exam, Research Paper Title Proposal. Topic selection, my greatest interest. I present 5 possible topics based on major field out of the possible problematic issues. Research and from the form titles for the research paper subject for the teacher's approval. Once the teacher approves one of tentative titles, then I will submit a hard copy of manuscript of the title proposal, and one topic approved by Ms. Nora is Perceived and Effects of Online School Towards the Mental Health of Freshman Criminology Students in UM.